What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a rear sway bar on my daily driver, MK7 Sportwagon. Thing to do, take your 13mm socket, deep socket, take this nut out on this side, and then on the other side it's just going to be the bolt, so short end would work. That's going to get the sway bar out, links. We'll take those off once it's out of the car, because it's a lot harder to do it in the car, because you gotta put a socket or a triple square M6 in that little bolt right there, and with a 16mm, so it's way harder to do it in the car. So once it's out, we'll take the links off, put them on the new sway bar. Moving right along, the next thing is you're gonna want to take your M10 triple square, take the brackets off the factory bushing sway bar. Got the old sway bar out. Compared to the new one, you can see a significant difference there. I believe I got a 26mm Neuspeed, and it is a lot better than the old one, I can tell you that already. Alright, now we're going to get the M6 triple square with the 16mm and get these links off. Hopefully it's not too hard. I've heard people just buying new ones because they were on there so good. Hopefully mine are okay. Got everything switched over to the new sway bar. Luckily, the end links went okay. No issues. So we'll just put this back in the car. And just an FYI, these bushings, I did put some bushing grease inside them, so they're already greased. That's what the instructions say to do, and nothing's tightened down yet, so we'll torque everything to what they say in the instructions as soon as we get the sway bar put back in. Alright guys, a few days have passed. The sway bar install not going as planned. So as I was putting it back together, the top sway bar bushing, let's see if I can show you that bolt on the top there, or the nut. I don't know what happened, but the threads came out or something got stripped. I have no idea. So things don't always go as planned, but I'm here to show you that what I used, I bought a rethreading kit on Amazon, and I tell you what, it saved me. I mean, this was 85 bucks. I already did the rethreading through that nut, and it works flawless. I also bought a new bolt just in case it was the bolt that caused the nut to have an issue. But this is the rethreading I used, M8 by 125. And I just rethreaded that nut, and the bolt goes in like nothing happened. So there you go. Time to finish this install. There we go, guys. Both bolts in. No more weird threads on the nut. There's the top one, tightened down. I fixed the issue. Not sure what happened, but things do happen on projects. I went into this thinking, oh, it's a 45-minute job, I can do this, and never goes as planned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.